I messed up. I wasn't paying attention. I took for granted the outlet and the inlets were reversed, and I messed up, and I wasted a good 3 hours here. It is what it is, but that's what makes this channel special. It's uncut, unedited, raw. So right now, Daniel is soldering on a 1-inch sweat by Expansion PEX adapter. Let me show you why. As you can see, everything around here is PEX, right? And they use crimp PEX here, right? But they use Expansion PEX or PEX A. So right around here, we're gonna cut in, right here, we're gonna cut in a setup, a bypass setup. We're gonna have a valve with a T and a T, and coming down here with another valve and a T and a T, and we're gonna put our machine right here on the floor. The box, all right, the box right there, which is gonna boost the pressure in this house. Now, while Daniel is soldering, right, we carry these Testo 317s. These are the personal carbon monoxide alarms or monitors. You see, it's going off. It's 14 because you're soldering.
I'm surprised it produces that much.
Oh, yeah, of course it does. Of course. All right, let's take a look at this DAB Aqua Booster pump. There she is on the floor. And we used 1-inch copper to make our connections right here. Very nice. Why does my phone always ring whenever I start to record? But without disturbing water flow, we came out of the filter. And then we'd use a piece of Expansion PEX there to the crimp connector, and a copper sweat to expansion adapter in 1-inch. There's a 90, put a T there for our bypass loop. So if we close this, water's only gonna go through the pump. All right, so water, filtered water comes through and out and around. No disruption of water service to the 1-inch that they put here. All right, very stupid manual, but there that is. Plug it in and see what happens. Okay, she's booting up. Let's see what happens. I'm not too impressed with the screen flickering like that. All right, we have 66 PSI. Why is that screen going in and out like that? It looks like it's trying to start up. Yep.
It's like all...
Yeah, it's all like staticky. All right. All right, so in keeping it uncut and unedited and raw, that thing right there is a POS. It's not doing anything. It's saying it's dry fire. There's nothing, no water running through it. So right now we have it isolated. Water's still flowing through the house. I sent an Uber to Brooklyn, to AF Supply to pick up another one. Yeah, it is what it is. Literally, it's dead out of the box. The screen is flickering like a 1940s TV, and I don't even think they had TV in 1940. But we're going to swap it out with another one, and hopefully we're good. I happen to have bad luck with trying new things, like the first Lochinvar Noble fire tube combi had a dead internal circulator. Go figure, right? What?
Yes, it came out sober on it first.
Oh. So in the meantime, since we're waiting for this guy to pick up the package in Brooklyn, right? There it is, right? See, and just confirm, see? There, Brooklyn, right? Daniel is gonna do other things. We fix the exhaust, right? We put a real, is that another, you put another street 90 in there?
Yeah, put a street 90 in.
Okay. Okay. We're gonna take out anode rods. So he has the water heater isolated, right? We're gonna, sometimes you gotta chop away.
Wow.
See, I chop away the anode rod there. All the insulation. I chop it away. So Daniel thinks he's going to be able to use that impact driver. Let's see how this works. Come on.
Gotta get it on there first.
Can't get it on?
No, it's still...
Oh, it's too tight?
It's just a screwdriver.
Screwdriver? All right, so we...
A win.
Go. That's what it looks like. that to try to take it out.
Oh, it's gonna look so disgusting.
You think so?
Yeah.
I can't wait. Oh, show it to me, Daniel. Show me your rod. Show me your... There's nothing left of it? Holy shit. Wow. Oh my God, there's nothing left of the anode rod.
Oh, it stinks so bad.
Yeah. Rotten eggs?
Worse.
Like old, I don't want to say, I'm trying to keep it family friendly. Yeah, like fish. Can you get it out? Wow, there's nothing left of the anode rod.
Or it's breaking off.
It's probably breaking off. We're gonna have to power flush this heater. Wow. See, ladies and gentlemen? And that's why we change anode rods. Look at this. This is not a cheap heater. Hold on to that. This is far from a cheap heater. This is an A.O. Smith 50-gallon power vented water heater.
I can't believe how bad it smells.
Wow. Oh, God. All right. I think this is hollow, Daniel?
It sounds like it.
It's magnesium. You want to beat your girlfriend with it?
It'd be fun to beat somebody with it.
If we beat Peter with it? Oh, you know what would be nice to beat with? Nick. What happened to you? You forgot it was open?
Yeah.
All right, see, it's linked. That way we can get it in there. Very nice. And then you'll use that and tighten it back up. I can't believe there was nothing left of those anode rods. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. But what's nice about here, we have a French drain system. So we're going to be able to get rid of this and flush out the bottom of the water heater right there. Boom. So we fixed this one. This one is a little vercocked, but she works. All right, there's no leakage there. We tested that. We're going to change the anode rod on this one too, because this one's from 2018. It's from 2016. And we're going to give them some more life, because those sacrificial anode rods, they're sacrificial. They really are. The nasty stuff in the water wants to attack that first before it starts attacking the quote-unquote glass-lined heaters, right? So extend the life of your water heater or your customer's water heater. Tell them to replace our anode rods like here. We're replacing them. We're like GE. We bring good things to life. All right, so we have to change those anode rods. You're going to have to flush out the water heater like we're doing right now. You're going to get a lot of crap in there, so you may want to get a garden hose and flush that out. A lot of nasty stuff in there, right? We disturb the pressure of the tank. Any buildup, sediment buildup, iron buildup on the inside of the tank, that's all going to get disturbed. So we're going to make sure we flush that out pretty good. Also get all those sediments, you know, all those pieces of whatever was left of the magnesium anode rod, get that out of there as well. So listen, we made life handed us some lemons with this pump. Dab. And it's embarrassing. They're from South Carolina too, and I love South Carolina. You know, they handed us some lemons, so we made lemonade. We made the best of it, because the Uber driver, right, not going to be here for another 40 minutes. So we're going to flush out this water heater. We're going to change the anode rods in that water heater. We're going to flush that one out. We took care of the exhaust on the power venter. We fixed that one earlier. So by the time Uber gets here, we'll be good to go and no waste of time. If not, we'll be sitting in the truck with our thumbs diddling around on our thumbs. So make best use of time, ladies and gentlemen. Effing piece of garbage. Dab. Like you want a dab? Sounds like a pot, something like cannabis related.
And it's green.
It's not free. It's $1,000. Let's swap this out. I got you. All right, let's try this again. This our display works now. 62 PSI. So let's do mode and set for 3 seconds. Set pressure is 39 PSI. Let's raise up to...
Why is the set pressure of this one different out of the box?
I don't know. Maybe it was defective. Let's set this to 75. Want to open up the faucet? Alright. See what's going on with this thing. I feel like such an idiot, by the way. You know that? I feel like such an idiot right now. Obviously, this new one isn't working either. And the reason why? Installation error. Yep, installation error. There is my inlet. We thought this was the outlet. That's the inlet. That should be the inlet. We reversed it. All right, crisis diverted. Only cost us about 4 more feet of 1-inch pipe and 4 1-inch press 90s. But got the job done. Let's pressurize and see what happens. I kid you. Daniel just said you'll get a different error. I kid you not, I was cursing the living hell out of this thing. I was cursing it. And I know some of you are going to say, Mikey Pipes, you should put it after the filter. What happens if the pump malfunctions? If the pump malfunctions, we got much bigger problems than a busted filter.
And there's a bypass for it anyway.
It only took 3 takes. All right. Let's see. Now we can see this thing. 67 PSI. All right. You want to go upstairs and ask if we could temporarily switch over the water for testing? We are. I want to see the increase in pressure at all. Nothing yet. Anything just went down one. We didn't dry fire yet, so I guess we're okay. All right, 76 PSI. All right, she's in. It wasn't fun, but it's all about being a good technician, who's observant of his surroundings, and we're only human, and I effed up. I messed up. I wasn't paying attention. I took for granted the outlet and the inlets were reversed, and I messed up, and I wasted a good 3 hours here. It is what it is, but that's what makes this channel special. It's uncut, unedited, raw. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be well, God bless, stay safe.